Welcome to AduanaCross, your command center for cross-border trade compliance between the United States and Mexico. Let us give you a tour of the platform. This is your dashboard. The summary cards show your active declarations, recent certificates, and compliance score at a glance. The Quick Actions panel lets you create new declarations, certificates, or upload documents with one click. The Declarations page lists all your MVE import declarations. You can search, filter by status, and manage each filing. The Certificates page manages your USMCA certificates of origin for preferential tariff treatment. The HS classifier uses AI to suggest tariff codes from a product description. Enter your product details and get a suggested HS code with a confidence score. The Document Vault is where you upload, tag, and manage all your trade documents with search and audit trail features. The Compliance Audit tool scans your filings for regulatory issues and gives you a compliance score with detailed findings. You can switch between English and Spanish at any time. Watch as the entire interface adapts to your language preference. That is your tour of AduanaCross. You are ready to get started with cross-border trade compliance.